before we formally start our discussion today, I'm going to request everyone to please stand for our prayer. I'm going to ask Leila to honorary time to lead us in prayer. Starting from the cross of the Lord's Prayer. Take your seat. So, who are absent today? None. Very good. So you will give yourself a good job hug for coming here today. So 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, for us to be reminded in our classroom rules. So it is listed here in our classroom rules. So first, you need to read conditions. Number 2, eat quiet. Number 4, avoid unnecessary noise and mood. So, is the classroom rules understood? Yes, ma'am. Great. Now, for me to be able to know that you gain knowledge about our previous lesson, I have prepared some questions for us to be recalled of what we have tackled in the previous lesson. So, I will read the instructions. So, you will read the following statement, and instead of writing a check mark, you will say check if it is a correct way of cleaning the yard. And if it is not, then you will say yes. Am I understood? Yes. Okay. Okay, number 1, I want to hear from Lynette. Read number 1 and answer.
Decomposing garbage is good for fertilizing the plants. Check.
Yes, very good. It is a check mark because decomposing garbage is a good fertilizer for plants. Now, number 2, I want to hear from Milestone.
Clean the water channels and tunnels to prevent the formation of rocks and other things. Check.
Very good, because cleaning the water channels or canals can prevent the habitation of crabs and other insects or harmful animals. So, number 3, please read, Jessica.
Dirty backyard contributes to a clean community.
Yes, very good. It is not the dirty backyard that contributes to the cleanliness of the community, but it is the clean backyard that contributes to a clean community. Now, number 4, I want to hear from Leia.
Use the dustpan and putting dry leaves in the trash bin.
Yes. Okay, what is your answer? Sorry. Check. Yes, because we will use dustpan to putting dry leaves into the trash bin. And number 5, I want to hear from Chester.
Decomposable waste should be placed in the compost bin. Okay.
Yes, very good. Because decomposable waste should be placed in the compost bin. So now, let's move on to our new topic. Are you ready to have our new topic today?
Yes.
So, but before that, I have prepared activity. Us to be able to refresh. So here, this activity is what we food charts. So what we're going to do is you will put, I have here a marker, and then you will come here in front and put the so all you have to do is answer the indicator 1 in column A is do you eat this food. So you will just put a check mark if do you eat this kind of food. And if you are not eating this kind of food, then you will put an X mark. And then the second column, it is important to eat this food. So you will analyze if it is important to eat this food, and if it is not, then you will put an X mark. Am I understood?
Yes.
Okay. Who wants to go first? Any volunteer? Okay. Now, like that. Ray. Now, let's answer Jessa. Okay, who wants to answer again? Last two, who wants to answer? Last one. Yes. So good job, children, for completing the. You all give yourself acronym capitals like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then point. And galing. Okay. Can you repeat after me? 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And galing. So now, as you can see at the picture, what have you observed?
Foods.
Foods. Healthy foods. Yes, it is healthy foods. So do you think, what is our topic for today?
About food.
About food. So later on, you'll know what will be our topic for today. So, but before that, I have also prepared another activity. So I have two activities right here for us to be able to challenge our mind before we start our topic. So this activity is what we call the word puzzle or the word search puzzle. So the instruction is you will find the words found in the puzzle. So here you have a pool of words here, and you will just find these words out of here. It could be vertically, diagonally, or upward and backward. So who likes word search puzzle here?
Yeah.
Okay, you may now come here. Please answer. We're done in our word search puzzle. Now, what do you think is the topic for today? Based on what we have done earlier, what is the topic for today? Anyone? It's an idea. Okay, Miss Hannah Alpina, and what is your answer?
Preparing nutritious food.
Exactly. Preparing nutritious food. But to further discuss the topic, I may give the floor to teacher Joseph to discuss what is the topic preparing nutritious food.
Okay, now let's proceed to our discussion. Okay, so for today we're gonna learn how to prepare a nutritious food. So before that, has anybody here experienced who prepare their own meals? Yes. Okay, very good, because even though you're still grade 4, you can prepare your meal now independently. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you a video, and I want you to watch attentively, because later on I will ask you a few questions.
Kung hindi pa, tara, talakayin natin ito. Narito mga bata ang tatlong pangkat ng pagkain. Ang Go, Grow, Glow Foods o G-Foods kung tawagin ay nagsisilbing gabay upang madaling matandaan ang nutrisyon ng mga pagkain. Natin ang Go Foods. Ang mga Go Foods ay mga pagkain na nakatutulong magbigay ng lakas sa ating katawan. Kabilang dito ang mga carbohydrates, sugar, at pagkain na may fat. Narito mga bata ang halimbawa ng Go Foods. Dumako naman tayo sa Grow Foods. Ang Grow Foods naman ang pangalawa sa tatlong pangkat ng pagkain. Ito sa pagpapalaki ng muscles at ng ating katawan. Pero, hindi dito natatapos ang trabaho ng mga protein sa protina. Nakatutulong rin ang protein sa pag-repair ng mga cells, tissues, at sa paggawa ng hormones, enzymes, at antibodies. Ang protein-rich Grow Foods na mainam idagdag sa inyong diet. Kasama dyan ang dairy products tulad ng gatas, keso, at yogurt. Ngayon naman, lumako tayo sa ikatlong pangkat ng pagkain. Ito ay ang tinatawag na Glow Foods. Ang mga Glow Foods ay hitik sa minerals at vitamins na nakatutulong magpalakas ng immune system upang malabanan nito ang mga sakit. Vitamins na ito ay mula sa mga gulay at prutas para makuha ang benepisyo ng Glow Foods.
Okay, again, Go Foods gives us energy to be active, work, and learn each day. So examples of Go Foods could include, can you give me an example of Go Foods?
Rice.
Yes. Okay, Go Foods could include grains, rice, wet, and sweet food like sugarcane, honey, and sugar. And for the root crops, examples of that are potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, like that. And for the grow, these are the building blocks for a healthy and growing body. They're rich in protein, calcium, and other essential nutrients that helps the kids to grow bigger and taller. So examples of grow food include meat, fish, eggs, and other dairy products. And for the Glow Foods contains vitamins and minerals which can help the body to fight infections and keeps the eyes, the skin, and the bones of the body to be healthy and strong. So, where do you think we can get these nutrients?
Fruit.
Fruits and vegetables. this class to be divided into two groups. So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So I want each group members to collaborate with each other so that if I will give you the questions, you can help your members to answer. So number 1, what are the 3 categories of foods that was mentioned in the video? Okay, first in.
Go, grow, and glow, teacher.
Okay, very good. Second one, what are the benefits of eating grow food? Grow food or glow food? Okay, yes,
Young, fit, or body healthy.
yes, exactly. So third one, should we eat foods that belongs to the group Y? Raise your hand. Group 1. Okay. Yes, Lester.
Very question.
Yes.
Yes, we should eat foods that belong to the group because it is already classified as healthy.
Okay. Okay, the first one, what do you think would happen if you don't eat vegetables? Yes, again. Yes, Rachel. You will get sick. Yes, exactly. Because the vegetables and fruits are rich in vitamins that can boost our immunity. So if hindi ka kumakain ng gulay, is meron ka ng chance na hindi na yung katawan mo lagi kang pagod. Tapos, kapag magkakasugat ka is matagal siya matuyo or magulo. So we also have examples of how to prepare a nutritious food. So for the breakfast, we can have the pandesal for the go, which is rich in carbohydrates that can give you an energy for a day. I have an example here. Okay, so egg with tomatoes for the grow and banana for the glow. Second one is lunch. So we can also have the rice, works become for the grow, and papaya for the grow. And third one for the dinner, we can have the rice, chicken tinola for grow, and miso for the grow. Okay, now let's proceed to ways of preparing a food. Since we already knew the nutritious, the 3 categories of nutritious food. Now let's proceed ways of preparing a food or mga pamamaraan kung paano magluto. Okay, first is seasoning. This is mixing of 2 ingredients using spoon or electric mixer. So if you have an ingredients in a bowl or in a pot, usually we add seasoning so that it will add an umami flavor or dish. Second one is mixing. This is mixing ingredients with a circular and repeated motion using a fork or a beater. So for example, if you want to cook an egg, so you crack it and then you pour it in the bowl and then you add some seasoning and then you mix it in circular motion like that. And for cutting food items such as meat, carrots, or onions using a knife and chopping board. So we don't put the whole thing in a bowl or in a pot directly, okay? We cut it in an even sizes. Kasi we put the whole in a pot directly, there's a possibility na lalapot yung labas pero yung loob is hilaw pa. Next is peeling, a process of removing the skin of fruits and vegetables such as banana, watermelons, and lime. So usually if we eat fruits, we really need to peel it because if we eat the peel, it tastes bland, and sometimes it's bitter. But usually for the apples and what are other examples of fruits that we directly eat? Guava. Yes, you just need to wash it and then eat directly. But usually for watermelons and limes, we really need to cut it or cut it. So next one is slicing, cutting food into small pieces. So this is another techniques of cutting. So you just simply cut it in small pieces. So next one is pounding. This means pulverizing food using a mortar or pestle. So usually we use the mortar or pestle when you want to pulverize seasoning like reuse it to pulverize it, and then we put that in a dish. Or usually we use this to extract the juices of ingredients. So last one is filtering, a process in which sealing a food substance or other materials. So for example, if you want to bake, we really need to sieve the flour so that
To remove the unnecessary materials or the lumps or the bubble in the flour so that even ang pagka-blend sa mga flour. I think that's
And now you are going to have a group activities for 10 minutes. But before that, I will group you in 3 groups. So let's count 1, 2, and 3. And let's start here. 1, 2,
3.
1.
So group 1 here, group 2 here, and group 3 there. For group 1, make a meal plan that includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Group 1. For group 2, act out how to properly prepare healthy foods. So in 10 minutes, you will discuss to your group mates and practice your performance, and after the 10 minutes, you will come here and perform. So the group 3, I have here a box full of pictures of foods and drinks. And you identify which they belong in these 3 boxes, like go, grow, and glow. So this is for group 3. Chester. But first, I have here a rubrics to guide or to show what is expected and how I will grade you. So, I will read the criteria. Lahat ng nasabi ay aktibo ng paggawa. So, it's 5 points. May ilang nasabi ng pagkat hindi nakikilahok. It's 3 points. Done?
Yes, teacher.
And for group 1, please show the class here your meal plan. Thank you. And for group 2, you can perform here in front of your classmates. And for group 3, please show the class what you put inside the 3 basket. So for the go to the basket.
we have here some bread, water, and spaghetti and jelly.
Is that correct?
Yes. For the raw food, it contains bread also, cottage cheese, and egg.
And
For the glow basket, we have apple, carrot, broccoli, watermelon, orange, grapes, and tomatoes.
let's clap our hands. Preparing nutritious foods it is very important to choose fresh and healthy foods to balance the food groups and use proper cooking methods to retain nutrients. So healthy foods is very important to our body because it provides energy and nutrients that our body needs. So as a child, how can you help in preparing nutritious food? Or are you helping your mom prepare nutritious food?
Teacher.
Very good. And now, let's proceed in your activities. Activity 1, I will read the instruction. Read the sentence carefully. Write I on the answer sheet if it's correct in preparing and serving the food, and M if it's incorrect. And activity 2 is identify the preparation described in each item. So choose the letter of the correct answer on your answer sheet. So can you pass it? Get one and pass. Are you done, children?
Yes.
Yeah!
Can you pass this in front?
Yeah!
Thank you. And for your assignment, list the foods that you prepared for dinner at your home. Check if the 3 foods food groups and the nutrients that contain are present in the meal. So that would be all, children. Thank you and goodbye.